friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video we are going to understand how to set up CAMSPay for e-mandate in Jainam Software. So as you know that you can create profile of customer, then create the account, whether it is deposit or loan account or any other account, and then search that account and click auto debit. If you are integrated with CAMSPay and configured in Jainam Software, then you will get an option set auto debit. If I click here, it will basically ask me to select a specific provider and then set CAMSPay e-mandate. Once I click here, it will ask me confirmation. If I click yes, then what will happen in this case, as soon as I click yes, an email will be sent to the customer asking to configure e-mandate or approve the e-mandate. So once that e-mandate is approved at the client side, I'm going to show on this different screen, then we will get a confirmation, and then the plan which is created for that e-mandate will be set as active. Now you will get an option to charge auto debit from here, or you can also click installment, and basically as per the installment schedule the charge out will be set for the auto debit. In this case I have clicked charge auto debit. So when I click here on the specific plan ID, then I get to know the payment ID, the status as initiated, and the amount. This is just a testing purpose I have used. Now if there are like thousands of e-mandates triggered for the specific day, then how can you check it? To check that, you'll have to click banking and compliance and auto debit report. Now here I click refresh, and then I'll come to know that the number of auto debits triggered for that specific date. Okay, I can also check for a specific date range, and I will get to know that one auto debit is initiated here. If I click on this specific record, then I'll get to know the details of that auto debit further. In this details screen, I'll get the more information about the auto debit. Okay, so the information will be available here, and in fact as soon as that auto debit is done, it will be marked as received. In case there is sufficient balance, it will be marked as failed, and then we can follow up with the customer, and in case they assure that the payment is there in their bank account, we can trigger the auto debit manually also. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.